All right, now let's take a look at assignment 2.03, where we are analyzing effectiveness. Again, the blank page, that is the one that has your lesson. So please make sure that you do that. The writing assignments and the post-module tests are, assuming that you have read through that information. Okay. All right. So looking at informative writing, analyzing effectiveness. And let's see, take a look at the assignment. You'll conduct research and complete a chart to analyze the effectiveness of advertisements based on techniques used. Sorry. All right. So it's only 3 slides for you to go through. All right. I am sure you've heard of pathos, ethos, and logos before. All right. So pathos is that emotional appeal. All right. And here are some examples of that. All right. Ethos, establish credibility for the product. All right. Celebrity endorsed products. We've been doing this since 19 whatever. And 9 out of 10 dentists recommend. All right. And then your logos is useful product information. So it tells us what it does, how it works, what you can do with it. All right. So that is the focus of your lesson. All right, so very short lesson here. All right, again, make sure that we are looking at the details of the assignment and then also the rubric. This is English, so we are still using proper grammar, punctuation, capitalization, spelling. Don't turn an assignment that looks like you are texting me. Come on now. All right, so details of the assignment. All right, so the directions, and again, I believe this is one that you can go to print, and then you can actually just save it to your Google Drive and work right off of that. Okay, so you can just do it and then make sure that you give me permission to view. Jamaica me crazy with that. Okay, all right. So we're going to analyze the effectiveness of advertisements based on techniques used. So you're going to complete the chart by conducting an internet search to locate advertisements. All right. So you're going on the internet, finding advertisements, so ads. All right. Oh, look, use complete sentences for each of your responses. Oh, snap, complete sentences. Don't forget that. All right. So the advertisements you choose could be written as documents, websites, video ads, or audio or radio ads. If you have any magazines around the house, you could use those as well. All right. So provide a link, internet link to each of the advertisements that you found. All right. So what you're going to do, and let's look at the left here. So these are the things that you are looking for. So your favorite electronic device, a vehicle you would like to own someday, that's fun. A food or beverage that seems healthy. An amusement park or vacation destination you would like to visit. All right. So those are the things that you're going to look for ads for. All right. And then how does the ad in complete sentences? How does the ad use logos? How does the ad use pathos? How does it use ethos? All right. And then does the ad seem effective to you? Like, if you didn't own this thing, would it be something that persuaded you to buy it or not? And it's okay either way, yes or no. And then just make sure you explain your reasoning, and make sure that we are doing that in complete sentences. All right. So again, you're going to find an ad for your favorite electronic device, a vehicle you would like to own someday, and then a food or beverage that seems healthy, an amusement park, and then make sure you link, so copy and paste once you get this in a Google Doc here or Microsoft Word. So link the advertisement so I can take a look at that. Okay. So that seems pretty simple. Seems kind of fun, I think. Let's look at the grading rubric. All right. And again, if you can't remember what those are, those logos, ethos, pathos, those are in your lesson. So go back to that. All right. And check that out. And we are trying to get mastery here. So you have effectively identified the use of logos in all four, pathos in all four, ethos in all four. All right. And you have explained the effectiveness of all four ads in excellent detail, and you have provided the link to add the advertisements. Okay. And again, it also says to make sure you're doing that in complete sentences. So that is a wrap on 2.03.